I do think Rada's support is excellent. I've never asked a question and not gotten an answer. I've never had really a bad experience with them. They will keep working the problem as long as they can. And that's why this particular device has done so well for me over the years. Because even though I'm 3 years in, I'm well out of warranty. Back then, it was only a 1 year warranty. If I have a problem on this device, I send feedback and they get back to me right away and they will try and help me troubleshoot any of the issues I have. I start it in here and then I export that as a Word document. I write my blogs in Word, always have, and then I copy and paste them over into Blogger and I pretty up the formatting and I change it. Number one, I'm a data retention I'm a little bit suspect of something crashing or going down. So if I do it in Word, I know I have that copy, and then I'll move the text over and take care of that. But what I can do instead of doing that in Word all the way through is I start writing it without those distractions and then export that later. Yes, I do feel safe because, quite frankly, it's an international company. I know they're based in Shanghai. They also have offices in Washington here. They're also in Japan. So RADA is an international company. But also, I think that all of these devices do come with a little bit of a warning that they're running an older version of Android. So you have to be kind of um, aware of what you're using them for and what you're choosing to share out into the cloud or the different things and different privacy concerns. One reason that I do like Rada is they do allow you to use passwords at both the file and, well, all three levels, file, folder, and device. So you can set a PIN, you can put a password on files, and you can put a password protection um, on an actual folder. Another thing that's kind of cool about them is this device here is actually made to where you can take it completely off the grid. And I think that is a real testament to the way they work. You can use a flash drive. It's formatted so you can use that flash drive to be able to be your backup device. You can also plug it into your computer and just use it that way. You can turn off and disable Wi-Fi. So there's a lot of ways that you can do that. Even the handwriting recognition, I believe I know for sure after you connect once, and I'm not sure, it may be that just after you download the package and upload the device manually, which you can do from their website, you can then actually still use the handwriting recognition offline, which is really cool. So not only does Wi-Fi sometimes drain your battery, but it could also be a security risk. So the idea that you can do all of the things completely with this as a standalone device, and again, that's not for everybody. Some people want it to be connected, want it to work in their different services. One last thing on this, they have AWS servers. I know when it first launched, they were only in China, and that was changed. So you now have a European, Japanese, and I know a US server. I believe those are the additional Amazon Web Service servers that are out there. So again, make sure to take the time, do your own research, assess your own comfort level with security and privacy, and really, kind of do a deep dive into that.